friends, good morning. In this video I am going to explain how to convert data from Excel to Tally. That is mainly for bank entries. Here, this is my format. This is the date, this is the voucher type, that is receipt, bank, payment and transfer. These are the ledgers and these are the amounts. Amounts only one time you have to enter. This is the bank ledger. Okay, in bank payments and receipts, you need to enter only one bank account. While contra, wherever the funds inflow to the other bank, that will enter here party ledger name. Bank ledger name means from which bank it is received. That is the thing. After finishing this, you have to just click on generate XML, so that XML will generate to a particular location. You can directly import this XML file in Tally. Now let's go to Tally. Here there is no vouchers. Ledgers, what I have created is, I will show you the ledgers. Alt or master. Here Andhra Bank, HDFC Bank, these are the two banks. Customer A, supplier A, salaries. Customer A and supplier A. Okay. So whatever the masters I applied in Excel is updated in Tally. Now let's go to generate XML. Just click here to generate. Okay, this is bank vouchers exported to download folder. Okay, fine. Now I am going to Tally. There is no vouchers now. Now I am going to import the file. Go to transactions. This is the location of the file. Users new downloads. So this is the bank file name. Bank vouchers actually. Okay. After finishing this, vouchers has been updated. Now just check in bank ledger. HDFC Bank. See, these are the vouchers. Receipt is debited, correct. Payments are all payments are paid. Okay. Contra 5,000. Received from Andhra Bank. Okay, this is correct, And further, we are going to create bookkeeping in Excel. Those who are required, you can call us to order. This XML file is expire up to 31st March 2026. So you can use it till March 31st. After that, a small charges of 100 or 200 will be charges for 1 year. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.